Ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society hine ka sngi kala panlong ya ka job fair ha State Convention Center ha ka ba lengba kane ka job fair kinla ban betin lenti ya kisamla wat kam wat jam na ka jela bakin yo kam hakiwei pat kiri ka perthai ha ka sngi ka menteri bade pe ka tanat ka kot ka khya ka Dr. Amperin Langdo kala don betalang kum ko kongsan ha ba kren ha ka sngi na ka leng ka Dr. Amperin Langdo kala ong bak sarkar jela kala persang ban wat kilat kilenti kumno ban ai kam ai jam ya ki samla jong ka jela lengba ki kam ki ba pher ki ba nagaleng jong ka ni ka society kala ban tin lenti ki khamtam ban yo kam saki we pat kiri jong ka perthai kala ban rabru ba ka MSSDS kala la ban ai jinghi kai saki 4000 khandai spa ar flyingut ha ki sector ki ba pher ha ka ba 1000 laispa san saungut Kalayo ya kikam bat 1000 khandai phlai kilayo ban sengkam sengjam hi dalade.
And I went because I felt a great sense of responsibility, having sent our citizens who are all very young to a foreign country, and I was very, very nervous. I was very anxious, and I did not know what the condition of these citizens were in Japan. I was pleasantly surprised when I went there to find that our young citizens were very much like the Japanese people. So grateful that I was given that opportunity, and I am here to stand testimony before all of you that these young citizens are doing very well in Japan, and I encourage others to also feel confident to go to this country. In fact, we are also preparing to send nurses to Singapore, and I hope that these nurses will also be able to earn for themselves not just a livelihood, but to get the satisfaction of work. Any skilled person, whether you are an engineer or a doctor or a nurse, once you get your skilling done, satisfaction is very important while you work in these various capacities. So with me, my experience with the nurses was that they felt, number one, at home. They were very comfortable with their diet, very comfortable with the weather, and overwhelmed with the hospitality that they received in their workplaces. These few experiences give me the confidence to come and encourage others. We are very, very grateful to the MSDS, and we are happy to know that today we will be sending you to these various training programs, and not only that, government is supporting you a sum of 50,000 rupees for the training period of your various training programs. I was very impressed with the language skills of our students in Japan. It was like wearing something which was comfortable. They were very comfortable, they were very confident when they spoke in Japanese, and in fact, they looked like Japanese citizens themselves. So today, I am very happy that the government is once again taking this big step to engage actively with employers from various companies. Without taking any one name, I welcome all of you to this program. So, the MSSDS has trained about 10,923 citizens in various demand-driven sectors. 8,891 trained, out of which 635 have been placed in jobs, and out of which 4,093 are also self-employed in our own state. 26,000 youths are targeted for financial year 24-25 with 3,544 trained and 7,029 undergoing training currently. This is a big program for the citizens of the state of Meghalaya. We are very fortunate that we are blessed with a 37% population of young people under the age of 35. We are a nation, as a nation we are doing well, but as a state, ours is a very young population. And hence, there is going to be a lot of job demands in our community in the coming 10 years. Very grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister, who has taken action to consider this big gap in providing jobs for citizens. This entire country itself is challenged in provision of jobs for citizens, but governments are not sitting idle. We are taking action and we are doing something about this problem.